Namaskar everyone, I am Ram Biradar from Azurite classes. Now we will be studying about the comparison of numbers in negative form. Okay, so here we have studied the comparison of numbers, isn't it? The smaller number, the bigger number, everything, isn't it? So now should we see in the negative? In the negative it will be reverse. Okay, so let us see now. So if you see on the number line it will be easy. So what here if you see this, so I will tell on the positive side first and then we can see in the negative side. Okay, so here we know this is the 7, this is 7 and this is 12. So 7 is on the left side, 7 is on the left side, 12 is on the right side, isn't it? So the number on the left side will be smaller, 7 is small and what, 12 is big, right? So 12 is what, 7 is 12, 7 and 12 is there. So which is bigger? We know 12 is bigger, we have to start from that and come back to it. This is how the symbol will be. 7 is from starting we have to read. So 7 is what? This is 7 is smaller. So 7 is smaller than 12, that is less. 7 is less. So 7 is lesser than 12. So this is lesser than symbol. This is how we read it, isn't it? Yes? Okay, good. Yes. So here the number on the left side will be smaller, isn't it? So the same way if you go to the negative now, here minus 6 is there and here minus 2 is there. So on the left side what, 6 is on the left side, minus 6, so this will be smaller, and on the right side is 2, so this will be bigger, that is minus 2. So here minus 6 is what, smaller than minus 2. So in the minus it will be reverse. The smaller, the if you take the absolute value here, the number will be what, if it is bigger then minus it will be reverse. Okay, understand? In the minus how it will be? It will be reverse. Understand? Got it? Yes? Okay. So any doubt here? So in the minus what it will be? It will be reverse. Okay. So minus 6 is smaller than minus 2. That is minus 2 is bigger than minus 6. But if you take the normal number, that is 6 and 2, which is bigger? 6 is bigger than 2, that is greater than 2. 6 is greater than 2. Okay. So but in minus what will happen? Minus 6 is smaller than minus 2. It will be reverse. Understand? Okay. Good. So remember this. Yes. So in the minus it will be reverse. Got it? Yes. Very good. So tell me now, here if I write minus 8 and minus 12. So here minus 8 is bigger or minus 12 is bigger? That will be reverse in the minus. So tell me, minus 8 is bigger or minus 12 is bigger? Yes? So minus 8 is bigger, right? Because it will be reverse. Yes, minus 8 will be bigger means that is greater than. So minus 8 is greater than minus 12. Understand? Got it? Yes? Yes, sir. Good. So this is how, what we have to do? We have to do the questions in the minus. Understand? Okay. Should we see the questions now? Some of the questions here? Yes, sir. So here let us see. So that is, we know the number line, the number increases towards the right side. So that is why here minus 6 is what? Smaller than minus 2. Here minus 2 and 0 if you take, which will be bigger, tell me? Yes, 0 will be bigger. So 0 is on the right side of minus 2. This minus 2 is on the left side. Okay. So 0 will be bigger. Yes? 0. Yes, 0 is small, that is bigger. Minus 2 is smaller because it is minus. Understand? Okay. Will you be able to remember this? Will everyone remember? Okay, good. So out of any two numbers marked on the number line, on the left side it will be smaller and on the right side it will be bigger. Okay, got it? Good. So now let's solve some of the questions now here. Yes? Okay, good. So see here, minus, that is 6 and 8, which is bigger here? 8. Yes, 8 is bigger, what you have to do? Start from that and come back to it. So 6 is lesser than, so 6 is less, that is lesser than 8. 6 is lesser than, this is lesser than symbol. So now here 0 and minus 2, what symbol it will come? Which is bigger, 0 or minus 2? 0 is bigger, right? Yes, 0 is bigger means greater, 0 is greater, so start from the greater and come back to it. 0 is greater than minus 2, understand? Now here minus 4 and minus 7, which is greater? Yes, minus 4 is greater, because in the minus it will be reverse. So minus 4 is greater means start from that and come back to it. So minus 4 is greater than minus 7. So this is how the symbols will be. Got it? So will everyone be able to remember and do this? Yes, in the minus form. Okay. Yes. What is the doubt?
Sir, if there is minus 2 and 2, sir, which one is greater, sir?
Minus 2 and 2. Tell me, which is bigger? Yes?
Sir, is it 2, sir?
Yes, 2 is bigger, obviously. Yes? Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
So 2 is bigger, so minus 2 is smaller. Understand? Very good. So don't be confused, because if you draw on the number line, see here, on the number line, minus 2 is on the left side and plus 2 is on the right side. So here 2 will be bigger, isn't it? 2 will be bigger, so 2 less than, so minus 2 is lesser than 2. Got it? Any number it be. So minus 8 and 8, which is bigger? 8 is bigger here, so minus 8 is lesser than 8. If I take 16, next question, 16 and minus 16, which is bigger? 16 is bigger, that is from that 16 is greater than minus 16. Understand? Okay, good. So any doubts here? Tell me. Any doubts for anyone? No doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, good. So now let us solve some of the questions here. So here 0 and 5, which is greater? 5 is greater, so 0, 5, start from 5, come back to 5, right? That is 0 is lesser than, 0 is less, so 0 is lesser than 5. So next question, 32 and 302, which will be the answer? Yes? Yes, 302 is bigger, start from that, come back to it. So 32 is lesser than 302. Now minus 2 and minus 3, here reverse. Yes, minus 2 is greater, here reverse it will be. So minus 2 will be greater. So start from that, come back to it. So minus 2 greater than minus 3. Understand? Minus 2 is greater than what? Minus 3. Got it? So minus 2 is greater than minus 3. Now here minus 15, minus 5. Which is greater? Minus 5 is greater. That is, the smaller number will be bigger. Okay? In the negative, the smaller one will be bigger and the bigger one, that is absolute value here. If you take the absolute value, that will be bigger one will be smaller. So minus 5 is bigger here. So start from that and come back to it. So minus 15 is smaller, lesser than minus 5. So understand? Will you be able to do these questions like this? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So now you have to write down the homework and solve it. Okay, everyone? So we have to do the homework here. Okay, so I will add some of the questions here. Okay, fine. So okay, so here one is plus and one is minus, so I will do like these questions first. 632, so plus will always be bigger. Okay, positive here, so this will be bigger than minus 682. Okay, so this answer. So second question onwards it will be homework. Okay, so that is 485. Then
495, sir.
yes, okay.
Then what your rating is homework?
So now fourth question, so I will change little bit, so both I will give negative. Okay, that is
Sir, it's minus 432, sir.
yes, minus 432 is bigger, because smaller will be bigger in minus. Okay, good. So here
Minus 80, sir.
yes, Hmm? Yes. Yes, here plus 1 is minus, 1 is plus. 362 is bigger one. Okay, very good. So will everyone solve those questions homework? Yes. Okay, okay. I will give some more, don't worry. Okay. So let's go to the next now, that is ascending and descending order. What? Ascending and descending order. So does everyone know ascending and descending order? Ascending, here ascending is there. Ascending means A to Z. A to Z means small to big. Here A is there, right? Remember ascending as A to Z. That is small to what? Big here. Okay. And descending, here D is starting, right? D is starting. That is D to A. D is bigger, right? That is later. So D is bigger means big to small. Will everyone remember like this? Yes, ascending means A to Z, that is small to big weight. Okay. So next is descending, that is D to A, that is big to small. So ascending means in increasing order. We say it also as increasing. What we say? Increasing means small to big. Descending means decreasing. What? Decreasing. What? We say it as decreasing also. So will everyone remember that? Yes? Okay, good. Yes, any doubts?
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Huh?
Sir, ascending to descending is A to D, no, sir?
A to, we can say like that also. I just have given you to make you understand. Okay, ascending A to Z or A to D, we can say anything. Okay, small to big. Fine. So ascending, if they give, remember, if you are not able to remember ascending, what is the meaning, then it is A to Z. Starting letter is A, so A means smaller. A to Z, you can say that is small to big. Okay, like that you can remember. Understand? Okay,
Yes,
good. So here let's, you already know this is very simple, so I will go very fast. So here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 is there. So this is in which form, tell me? The greatest number is which? 9 is the greatest, smallest is 1. Okay. So here if you want to write from the ascending and descending order, what we have to do, tell me?
Sir,
Yes.
smallest number from ascending 1, 2, 3, 4,
Hmm.
5, descending 9,
Yes.
8, 7, 6, 5,
Ha.
4,
So
3, 2, 1.
in the ascending order, what we have to do, tell me?
We have to write small to big, sir.
Yes, ascending order A to Z, right? That is small to big. Okay, small to big means smaller is 1, so it will be 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma like that. It is very simple, right? So 5 6 7 8 and 9. And descending order means D is the starting letter. D to A means big to small. Big to small means bigger is 9, so reverse of this, 9 8 and then 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. This is the easier number I have given for your understanding, isn't it? Okay, good. So now let us see the second example now. So what we have to do, we have to write the both, that is ascending and descending order. So for that, finding the greatest number, it will be easy for us. So 2, 236, 10, 15, 32, 892, 8 and 47. Which is the bigger number? 892. Okay. Smallest is here, if you see 2. So 2 is the smallest. So what will be the ascending? Small to big. That is first we have to write smaller one, 2. After that, which is smaller? That is next, little bigger than 2 is 8. Good. After that is 10, and then is how much? Yes, 15. After 15, which is the number? Yes, 32, and then 47. After that is how much? Yes, 236. Then yes, 236 and how much? 892. 236 and 890. Okay, so this will be the ascending, increasing order. Decreasing order, that is big to small, just we have to write reverse. Okay, so that is 892 and then 236. So will everyone write this in reverse order? Yes, this we have to write in the reverse order. Will everyone write like this? Yes. here, that is in the descending order. Completed? Okay, very good. So understood about the ascending and descending? Yes, and will you remember that, isn't it? Okay, good. So here this is about ascending and descending. Okay,
Understand second one.
so second one nothing, descending order. Descending order means that is big to small. So write from big to small. This is there, right? So here small to big is there. The same thing we have to write in the reverse. That is big to small. 892 first, then 236, then 47, 32, 50, 10, 8, 2. Okay? Understand? Okay. Should we go to the next now? That is here ascending it a to z. Okay, and then here that is in increasing order, smaller, big, smaller, then next bigger, then next bigger, next bigger, then biggest. So descending is from lower, that is first is bigger, then smaller, then smaller and smaller. So descending, that is z and a, z to a or d to a. Descending is first starting letter d, so make it as d to a. You will be able to remember. Got it? Yes. Okay, so now should we go to the next question now? So we will write the order here. So smallest number, and here they are asking only to write in ascending order. So to write in ascending order, what we have to know, tell me? Yes, so the smallest number first we have to write, isn't it? So for the first question, what is the smallest number, tell me? Yes, 46, 48 is there, 57, 65, yes. So 46 will be, yes, 46 will be smaller. So first we have to write smaller number in the order. After 46, which is the smaller? 48.
138.
After that 48 is 50.
57.
After 57 is how much? 60.
65.
And then after that is 90.
98.
And then after that is 135, right? So 135. So the answer will be this, right? So that is the ascending order. Okay, got it? Good. Now the second question is what? Like this, that is, if you see what it is, so it is in minus here. Minus is also included. So smallest number, minus will always be smallest number, right? So which is the smaller number here? Tell me.
Minus 12.
No. The in the minus,
Minus
it will be reverse. Yes. So minus 18, minus 12, minus 125. So the bigger number in minus will be smaller. So which is the bigger number in minus? That is absolute value 125. So that will be minus, means that will be the smallest. Reverse, minus, in minus it will be reverse. So first smaller number will be minus 125. Okay. So first will be here minus 125, comma how much after that? Which is the minus next? 18, minus 18, minus 12. No. We have to see the minus first. Minus 18, minus 12. Which will be smaller? Minus 18 or minus 12? In the negative, it will be what? The bigger number will be what? Smaller. So 18. After that, minus 18. Yes. Wait. Listen. So I will come. I will ask. So minus 18, and after that is minus 12, and then after that minus is, all the minus numbers are gone now. So remaining is 15, 35, 120. So which is smaller next? 15. After that is 35, and then 120. So this will be the ascending order. Okay. Yes. Tell me, any doubts?
No, sir.
Someone was asking. Yes, wait. Yes, tell me. Who is that?
No, sir. No doubt, sir. No.
Okay.
No doubt, sir.
No doubts, huh? Fine. Okay, got it. So understand about negative. So in the negative form, I told you already, the number which has bigger negative sign, that is the number which is bigger in negative sign, that will be what? The smaller in the reverse, right? Minus 18, minus 12, minus 125. So 125 is the bigger number, absolute value, but minus it, that will be smaller. Okay, will you remember like that? Good. So now
Yes, sir.
let's go to the next, that is this one. Okay, so here if you see, first question, what we have to do? We have to write in the descending order. For the descending, bigger to smaller, d to a. Okay, so here if you see, which is the greatest number, big to small, which is the bigger? Tell me here.
321.
321. So 321 first, that is 321. After that will be how much? Yes, which is the next?
126.
126 is the next bigger, and then after that which is next bigger? 98, right? 98, and after that will be how much? 46, and then after that how much? 32. So this one is gone, this one is gone now. 36 or 32, 36, and after that will be how much? 32. So that will be the order. Yes, got it? Very good. So next in this, let us see in the negative form now. So here minus 9 is there, minus 15, which is the here we should not be taking negative because it is greater number. So here which is the greater number in all? Yes.
61.
Yes, 61. Huh? Okay, good. So here if you see, the positive number will be bigger, that is, this is negative, this will be positive. So positive number, this 61, 32 and 45, which is bigger? Because in the descending order we have to write first bigger, that is greater. So 61 is bigger, so write 61 first. After that which is the next bigger? 45 and 32. Yes, 45. After that 32. Okay, now here 9 and 15, minus 9 minus 15 is there. So which will come next? Which is bigger, minus 9 or minus 15? Minus 9 is bigger. In the negative it will be reverse, minus 9, after that is minus 15. Got it? In the negative how to do? Yes. Okay, good. So this is how. Yes, tell me. Anyone? So here what, beta?
Sir, can you wait for 1 minute, please?
Beta, okay, it will be late. Every time if I wait for 1 minute, it will be so much late, isn't it? So that is why what you have to do, right from the video. Okay, good. So everyone understood? Any doubts now? No doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, good. So now should we go to the next? That is, yes? Huh. So
how many pages are there?
still we will learn. Why? Any hurry? Yes? Okay. So here, see here, successor and predecessor. Successor, when you get success, tell me, in the future, that is next, isn't it? So successor means next number. Okay, successor means next number. Predecessor, pre means before. Pre means what? Before. Yes, so before means that is the previous number, before that. Okay, so successor means next, predecessor means before. So that is much, if you remember you will get. So next number, if you want to find next number, we have to add plus 1, and if you want to find the number before it, the before one minus 1, right? So just that much you can remember. So see here, if you take one number here, let me take one number. So 2, which, for this, which is the successor, which is the predecessor, tell me. Yes,
Successor 3.
successor 3. Yes,
Successor 1.
yes, successor is 3 and predecessor is how much? Yes,
1.
yes.
Excuse me, sir. I have a doubt, sir.
Predecessor is,
should be minus 3, no, sir?
no, we are just talking previous. Before 2 what will come? Yes, before 2 1 will come. Yes, isn't it? That is what. So what we are taking just before. So pre means before. Before 2 1 will come, that is the predecessor. So our successor means next, after that. So which will come? That is 3, successor. Okay, so before it is 1, that is predecessor. Understand? Okay, so how, what we have to do to find the successor? We have to add plus 1, that is 2 plus 1, isn't it? So for the predecessor we have to minus 1. Okay, yes, the number minus 1. So here if you see, you will get the answer. Okay, got it? How to find the successor and predecessor? Yes,
I didn't understood, sir.
okay, so we'll do questions and you will understand. Okay, fine. So after that also, if you don't, you tell me the, and then I will explain. Okay, so find the successor and predecessor of 76,845. The next number after 45 will be how much? Yes, tell me. that is 46, isn't it? So then what will happen?
6,846.
Yes, so 76,000. So for that we have to add 1. For successor what we have to do? Plus 1. Yes, so if you do plus 1 you will get the answer. Okay, so for the predecessor we have to minus 1. Okay, so 76,000 is there, right? So successor will be how much? 76,845 is there. 45 plus 1 will be how much? 76,846. Got it? Good. So predecessor before 45 what will come? Yes. Now predecessor here.
76,845 minus
Yes.
1 equals to 76,844.
44, right? So that will be the answer. Okay. So 76,844 will be the predecessor. Understand? Okay, good. So now here we will do the questions now. Write the successor and the predecessor of the following numbers. So here 5, successor will be how much? Next number 5, 6. I am writing directly. Predecessor will be before 5, 4 will come. Okay, will you do this as homework? Do this as homework, it is easy. Now let me do minus 1. So should I do minus 9 or minus 46? Tell me. Okay, good. Fine. So see here, if you write the number line you will understand. Okay. So here if I take from 0 then minus 1 like that, minus 2, minus 3 like this, here what will come? Minus 45 and then minus 46 and then minus 47. This is how the number line will be, isn't it, from the negative side, and then from for the negative positive side it will come like that. That is 1, 2, 3 like this. Yes. So from the negative side. Now for the minus 46, here is it. So which is the next number that is the successor? Yes, minus 45. Okay, which is the predecessor before that is minus 47. Understand? So now how to do this? Let us see now. So for the successor we add 1, right? We add what? That is 5 plus 1. I will write it here. Okay, so that is for the successor we add 5 plus 1, and for the predecessor what we do? We minus before number, right? So the same thing let us do here. So 45 minus 45, how it came we know. Okay, but the number was how much? 4, that is 46. The number was how much? Minus 46. To that if you add 1, what will happen? Minus and plus, it will be what? Minus and plus will be, there are different sign, it will be minus. So 46 minus 1 if you do, what will be the answer? Tell me. 45. 46 minus 1 is how much? 45. Now bigger number is, yes, bigger number is how much? Minus 4, minus, that is 45. Bigger number is 45, minus will be this answer. Okay, so this we will learn in the addition and subtraction chapter, don't worry. So just remember this. Okay, next here in the 47, minus 47, here 46 was there, minus 1, both have same sign. So what we have to do? Add it. 46 plus 1 will be 47. So here minus is the bigger number, minus will be the answer. So minus 47. Got it? How to do for the negative numbers, predecessor and successor? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Understand? Good. So just if you are not, then in the minus you just write 46 is there, 45 and 47. So here minus 45 will be the bigger one, next that is before that. Okay, from this side successor and this side will be, that is minus 45 will be what? Successor, and minus 47 will be predecessor. Got it? Yes? Remember? Okay. Now should we go to the next question? Yes? Good. So here what we have to do is, that is creating your own numbers. How do we write numbers? Tell me. Yes? How do we write the numbers? We have to create our own number. We take the digits. What do? We take the digits, isn't it? That is from 0 to 9, and then write the number. So here 49, here 4 is there, 9 is the digit. So we take the digits and write our numbers, whatever is required. If I want to write 123, what are the digits? 1, 2, 3. Yes. So from the given digits, how to form the numbers? Let us see now. Okay. Should we see the questions now? Yes. How to form the numbers? Okay. So we form the numbers, that is with the digits. So see here, form numbers using digits 1, 2, 3. So the given digits are 1, 2, 3. So what we have to do? We have to write the what? Numbers here. So 1, 2, 3. Digits are 1, 2 and 3. Yes, what?
Sir, how to write the number 1004, sir?
100, that is
So-
1004, right? Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So here next, here what are the one digit numbers? Tell me. 1 is one digit number, 2 is also one digit number, 3 is also one digit number, that is digits itself. Okay, 2 digit number, what are the possible 2 digit number from this?
10, 20, 30.
No. Here from 1 and 2 and 3, from 1 and 2 and 3 only, that is 12, right? 12, then 23, right? Yes, 12 and 13, yes. Okay, I will write like that only. So 12 and how much? 13. Okay. 12 and then 1 and 3, 13, right? If you take 2 and 1, 2 and 1, 21, 2 and 3, 23.
31.
So now 3 and 1, 31, 3 and 2, 32, and then 1 and 1. Can we take 1 and 1 also?
11.
Yes? 1 and 1 will be 11, 1 and 1, 2 and 2, and then 3 and 3. So these are the all possible 2 digit numbers we have written. So these are all possible 2 digit numbers. This is how we form the numbers, isn't it? Now if you want to find the 3 digit number, what will be the 3 digit numbers? Tell me. 111. No. 3 digit numbers here. 111. Next is how much? 222. Right? We can take, or 333. Right? That is, we are repeating here. What we are doing? We are repeating the digits. Yes, isn't it? Now let's not repeat the digit now. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. That is 1, 2, 3. And then how much? 1, 2.
3, 1,
Then
2.
yes, 1, 2, 2. Here digit is repeated. Here 1, 3, 2. Like that there will be so many possibles, right? There will be so many digits we can form, isn't it? Numbers. Yes? Okay, good. So can we form the 4 digit numbers also? We have to repeat. There are only 3 digits are there. We have to repeat one of it, right? So 1, 2, 3, and then let me repeat 1 here. Otherwise you can repeat 1, 2, 3, 3. We can repeat. So one digit we have to repeat, or we can write 1, 1, 1, 1 4 times, or 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. In any fashion we can form the numbers, isn't it? Yes? Yes, very good. So we can form any digit with the repetition. If you repeat, here 1, 1 we repeated. If you repeat, we can form any digit number, isn't it? Okay. So this is how we can form the numbers. Yes, isn't it? Okay, good. So here let us see how to form the required number. If I tell you to write the greatest number from 1 to 3, that is 3 digit number without repetition, what you will write? 3 first, 2, then 1, 321 without repetition. We cannot repeat anything, isn't it? This will be the bigger number. Or that is 231, which is bigger, or 123, that is 321 is bigger. If I ask you to write the bigger number from this without repetition, so this is how what we can do. We have to write it. Understood? Yes, there will be so many possibilities here. Okay, got it? Fine. So here what we have to do, we have to write the numbers from the digits. So let us see how to do that. Okay, so formation of numbers, that is greatest and what? Smallest. How to form the greatest and smallest number? So digits given are the same, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now we can repeat the digit, and we cannot one without repetition also, with repetition also. Okay, So should we form the numbers? That is greatest number, what it will be? Yes, what will be the greatest number? Here there are 3 digits, so let's take 3 digit number. What? Let's take a 3 digit number. Okay, so 3 digit number. So with repetition, which digit if you repeat you will get the greatest number? Tell me.
3.
3 is greater, bigger. So 333, if you write 3 times you will get how much? 333. So that will be bigger. If you repeat 222 or if you repeat 111, right? So which will be bigger? That is 333 is bigger. Yes, so that is why we have to repeat the bigger number. What we have to do? We have to repeat the bigger number to get the bigger number. Yes, tell me what?
It is 3.
So any doubts for anyone? Yes, someone was
No,
asking.
sir.
Yes, easy, isn't it? With repetition, it is
Yes, sir.
what? It is with repetition. We are repeating. With repetition means we are repeating here. Now if you want without repetition, we cannot repeat any digit, 3 or 2 or 1. So what we have to do? First we have to write the bigger one, 300. That is 300 will be bigger, right? If I write 321, or if I write 231, or if I write 123, or you can write, that is how much? 132. So 300 will be bigger, right? That is in the 100 place, that should be bigger number. Starting should be the bigger digit. What? Starting should be the bigger digit, then it will make the bigger number, right? So we have to write it in which form? 3 to 1, that is descending order, that is bigger to smaller, decreasing order, right? To get the bigger number without repetition. Understand? That is the greater number. Got it? Yes,
sir.
good. So will everyone remember? That is the bigger digit. What we have to do? We have
Yes,
to
sir.
write first for the without repetition. Now for the smallest number, let us see for the smallest number. Which digit if you repeat with repetition, which digit if you repeat you will get the smaller number? Tell me. Yes, 111 if you repeat, that is the smaller digit. Yes, or 222, which digit if you repeat? 111, that is 100. So that is why, yes, smaller digit we have to write first in the smallest number to get the smallest number. Which digit we have to write first for the smallest number?
The smallest
Smaller
digit.
digit. Okay, good. In the same way, without repetition also which digit we have to write starting? The smaller. Yes, 1, and then after that is 2 smaller, and then the 3, 123. Got it? Yes. Okay, so that is what we have to do. We have to write it in the small to big, that is first smaller to get the smaller number. Okay, understood? Good.
Yes,
So
sir.
will everyone remember this, how to form the smallest and biggest number from the given numbers, digits? Yes, very good. So here,
Yes, sir.
that is in case of digits with repetition, greatest number, repeat the greatest number, that is here 333 we repeated. And in case of smallest number, we have to repeat the smallest digit, that is 1111. Okay, next is what? For without repetition, for greatest number, arrange the digits in descending order, that is bigger to smaller. So 321, right? 300 will be more, so that is why 300. After that is next smaller, next, that is 20 and 1. Okay, so like that. And for the smallest number, arrange the digits in ascending, that is bigger, that is smaller to bigger. For this 123, so first 100 is the smaller. For the smallest, smaller should be first. Okay, got it? Good. So will you remember this? Will everyone? Yes. Okay, good. So we have to form the numbers. We'll solve some questions and then I will come to 0. Okay, so it will be easy. So here what they are asking, that is the question is, form the greatest and smallest number of 3 digit number using 659, right? So what is it given? Using 3 digit number, using what numbers? 6, 5 and 9. Okay, so digits are 6, 5, 9. We have to form the greatest number, right, and the smallest number. What? Smallest number. Okay, so now if you take greatest number 659, for the greatest number which digit we have to write? The greatest, that is bigger one, right? 965.
Sir.
Yes, with repetition it will be 999, and without repetition for the it will be 965. Okay, good. Yes. Okay, so should I write both? Should I write both? Let me write both. Okay, otherwise generally in the exam they will ask without repetition only. Okay, so what they will do? They will ask without repetition only, so we will do both. Okay, fine. So should we do both? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Fine. So digits are 6, 5 and 9. So with repetition, what? With repetition, and then without. Next will be without what? Repetition. Okay, good. So here greatest with repetition will be the bigger one, greater is bigger, so 999, and without repetition will be, that is 965 is there. So first we have to write the bigger one, 9 and then 6 then 5, 965. Understand? Okay, good. Yes, yes,
Yes.
okay. Any doubts? If you ask, you can ask. Okay, the smallest number.
This also we should write. This also we should write, sir.
Yes, you have to write it.
5,
Okay,
5,
good. So here smallest number we have to write the smaller. Which is the smaller? 5 is the smaller. 555, that is with repetition we are repeating. So without repetition we should not repeat anything. So which will be the number? That is 5 is the first, that is smaller one. After that which is the next smaller? 6 and then 9. 569 will be without repetition. Got it? Yes? Any doubt now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
No, sir.
So this is how you have to do. So will everyone do this type of questions? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So let us solve one more question. Form the greatest and smallest number of 3 digit 180. Now 0 has come, let's go to the 0 case. Okay, so here the digits are 4, 5 and 0. What? The digits are 4, 5 and 0 here. So if you see, 0 is there, 0 is the smaller number. Okay, but is it considered as a number? Yes, it is not a number. 0 is not a number. Okay, so that is why that will be not in the place. Okay, so with repetition, greatest number, how do we find? Tell me. 450 digits, greater number with repetition. With repetition we have to repeat, with repetition. So which is the bigger one? 5. So 555 with repetition I am asking. Now without repetition will be, yes, 540. That is first bigger one for the greater one, and then next greater and greater. Okay, so for the smallest number, which is the smallest? 0 is the smallest, but if you write 0, 0, 0, it will not be a number. Is it a number? No. Yes, so that is why what we have to do? See here, the answer will be 400 beta. So first we have to write 4. Yes, after that we can write 0, 0. Can we write 0, 0 or not? It will be 400. 444 if you write, which is bigger? 444 is bigger or 400 is that is smaller? Which is smaller? 400 smaller is 444 smaller? 400 is smaller. Yes, 400 is smaller beta, not 444. Yes, 400 is smaller, so that will be the answer for with repetition. Understand? Yes. First we cannot write 0 at the starting. Can we write 0 at the starting? We cannot write, because that will not be a number. So later we can write, after words we can write, isn't it? So 400 will be the smallest number here. Got it? Understand?
Yes, sir.
Good. So now without repetition we cannot repeat. Now which is smaller? 0 is smaller. Can we write at the starting? Can we write at the starting? We cannot write at the starting. Yes. So what we have to do? Yes, we have to write
405.
so 4 first. After 0, which is the smaller? 4 is the smaller. So 4 we have to write first. After that we can write 0. So 0, and then next which we should we write? 5. So 405. Which is the smallest number without repetition? Tell me. 405. Got it? Yes? Okay, good. So this is how we have to do in the case of 0, when the 0 is there. Understand? At the starting we should not write 0. Remember that much. Yes? Okay. So any doubts here? Tell me. No doubts?
No, sir. No,
Okay. So should we go to the next question now?
Yes, sir.
Ah, here this, that is form the greatest and smallest number of 3 digit using 1, 8 and 0. 1, 8 and 0 without repetition. They have mentioned without repetition. Okay. Should we write it? Yes. So here if you see, digits are what? 1, 8 and 0. 1, 8 and 0. So what we have to do? Greatest and smallest, right? Greatest and smallest. So greatest number, what it will be? Tell me.
810, sir.
Yes, first greater means we have to write the bigger one first. 8. After that which is bigger? That is 1 next bigger, then 0 the last. Right? So from the ascending, that is decreasing order, right? Descending order. First one bigger, then next bigger, then the next bigger. Next smallest number. Which is the smallest here?
101.
Yes, 0 we cannot write at the starting. After that which is there? 1. So after that what we have to do? We have to write 0, and then which is remaining? 8. Yes. So what will be the answer? Smallest digit, that is smallest number? 108. Okay, got it? So will everyone do like this? Yes. Okay,
Yes,
na?
sir.
Okay, so you have to do like this in the questions. Okay, understand? Okay, good. So now should you go to the next question? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So what is the greatest 4 digit number formed by the digits 407 repeating only once? Come, so write it once again. So here repeating what? One digit. What you have to do? Repeating one digit only. Okay.
Sir,
So
can
because
we repeat
there are, we can repeat any digit whichever is suitable. Okay. So repeating one digit. Okay. So here how many digits are there? 3 digits are there, and they are asking what? They are asking 4 digit number. So that is what? Only 3 digit means 1 we have to write once again. So that is why we have to repeat one digit. Okay. Understand? So now let us solve it. Okay. So here 4 digit number. What are the given digits? Tell me. That is 4, 0 and 7. 4 and then 0 and 7. So what will be the greatest number they are asking? Greatest number. Okay. Greatest number. Okay. So here which is the greater number?
740, sir.
7. Okay. So we have to form 4 digit. What digit? We have to form the 4 digit number, right? So see here, we have to form the 4 digit number, isn't it? 4 digit number. Okay. 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 So here 7 is there. So we have to repeat. We have to repeat any one digit here. So which digit should we repeat? So it will be bigger. Tell me. Yes, we should repeat the bigger one. So 7 we have to repeat. So once again can we write 7 here? Yes? Yes. So 7, 7. After that 4 and 0. So which digit should we write next? 4, and then after that 0. So that will be the greatest number. Yes. 7740 will be the answer. Got it? Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. So this is how we have to find the greatest number or the smallest number, whichever is required in the question. Will everyone be able to do like this? Yes? Okay, good. So this is how we have to do. Should we go to the next question now? That is next. I don't think there is no question. Fine. So any doubts for anyone? What are the things we studied? We studied first is, that is comparison of negative numbers. Okay, comparison of negative numbers. After that, predecessor and successor, how to find predecessor and successor. For successor we have to add 1, the next number. For predecessor we have to minus 1, that is the previous number. Okay, good. And after that, what we studied, tell me? Ascending and descending order, and then formation of numbers, that is we create our own numbers. How do we create? That is the greatest number or the smallest number. For greatest number, big to small. For the smallest number, small to big we write, and then create our numbers, isn't it? Yes. Okay, will everyone remember this? Will everyone remember this? Okay, so tomorrow we will solve the questions on the whole chapter, that is number system. The whole chapter, that is number system, we will solve the questions. Understand? From the starting, that is from the natural numbers to till now. Okay, all the questions. Understand? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, good. So everyone has to write down the notes from the video. Fine? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I wrote now only.
Okay, good. Okay, good. Very good. So here any doubts? No doubts, right?
No,
Yes.
sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
So share this video with your friends. Okay, share with this video with your friends for your Navodaya and Sainik preparation. You can join our classes by calling these two numbers. Okay, any of these two numbers, and you can join our classes. Got it? Yes. Okay.
Bye, sir.
Okay. Okay, beta. Okay, wait.
Bye, sir.
So everyone, thank you for watching, and for your Navodaya and Sainik preparation for the 5th students, you can join us for the live classes and interactive sessions. Thank you.